way our system is right now, not only does it go down a lot and has a lot of glitches in it, but it really does not allow us to get off paper. And you'll see that as we go through. The route of a criminal file, a criminal or traffic file is basically a folded up group of papers, all different sizes, stapled together, put into a plastic sleeve, and just constantly manipulated by hand all throughout the process. They go between this office and the courtrooms and the judges' offices and the bailiff's hands, back and forth into drawers and so forth. They always get lost. They frequently get misplaced. They're always found eventually, but they're not tracked very well, and it can create a problem when you can't locate where a file is. And usually it's somebody's looking at it somewhere in the courthouse. This is the bullpen. This is criminal and traffic area, and we have two sets. We call in the front clerks up there on the window. They are taking money. We take in about $25,000 every day in cash, check, or money orders through those windows. These are back clerks, and they are numbering tickets, starting cases, issuing bench warrants, doing some sentencing, and to support each other, obviously. The big change will be when we bring in a new case management system, once we have a new case management system, each judge will have a screen here, and they'll, again, like downstairs we pointed out, they'll be able to bring everything up on here. What we want to do is we want to try to get as much of the sentencing work that we do in the office done in the courtroom. What I want is when they walk up to the podium here, I want a screen right here. And there's the acknowledgement that they sign with their finger that this is the date, and it spits out something, or we give it to them in the clerk's office for the take home. And that ledger is done. There's basically no paper involved at all. It's just all screened to computer. We'll need to change our hardware in the office. I think because our system is so old, a lot of the newer computers will not run it. So most of the computers down in my office are quite old. They're obsolete, but they're needed to run that system. We've done demos here in the building. I've been going out and visiting some courthouses that are using case management software that I've kind of zeroed in on. I want to see it in action, ask a lot of questions. Once we do select, we're told that it could be up to a year before implementation. What I'm going to push for is January or February.